So you're at work, you're sitting in a chair as part of your job, and you stand up and, I threw out my back just standing up. What happened? Is that a workers' comp injury? So years ago, I should say decades ago, the courts would have said, no, that's a normal bodily movement. You're just standing up from a chair. You're not performing a benefit to the employer. You're just standing up. The fact that you got injured doing that, it's not the fault of the employer, so it shouldn't be a workers' comp injury. Over the last several decades, the case law has moved away from that, and now that normal bodily movement generally will be considered to be an industrial injury. It falls under the personal comfort doctrine concept that as long as you're at the work site, you're on the employer's premises, it's during work hours, if you're doing a movement that's something that you do every day, something that's not prohibited by the employer, and you get injured, then even that normal bodily movement could be an industrial injury. There may be apportionment with regards to permanent disability, but that's an issue down the road. The bottom line is it can still be an industrial injury. So if you're a secretary sitting at a desk, you're typing away and you reach for your cup of coffee, but you do it too fast and you throw out your shoulder because you drink coffee all day long, because the employer knows that you drink coffee, doesn't prohibit you from drinking coffee, even that normal bodily movement of reaching for a cup of coffee can be an industrial injury. If you have questions on this area of law, drop me a comment down below. And if you found the video helpful on normal bodily movements, hit the like button.